Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring to you. That's right. This is something that I have never brought to my channel before, and that is the Glamour Jewelry Box. Do you want to see what's inside May's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is May's Glamour Jewelry Box, and I was really excited when they reached out to me and asked if I would review this for you because I have never done a jewelry subscription box on my channel. So I thought this was really cool to try and see something completely different to show you. So that is awesome. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about them like I do every time I bring a new box on my channel. So a Glamour Jewelry Box, you can find them at www.glamourjewelry.com. Glamour Jewelry Box fashion experts curate 3 pieces of jewelry every month for you to keep. You can also skip any month, but they are $29.95 per month if you did month to month. If you do 3-month plan, it's $28.28 per month. Both have a $3 shipping fee, but if you do the 3-month plan, you also get VIP 25% off access to all jewelry in their shop. So that's awesome. Jewelry pieces range from earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings. Fashion experts are up to date on current jewelry trends, so you will always have the latest pieces and styles. You'll be receiving a combination of the trends and classic pieces, exposing you to new selections of jewelry that you may not have otherwise discovered. Each piece of jewelry you receive is high in quality and in value. The pieces featured in this box are ones found in high-end boutiques. Each one has the $3 shipping. We don't currently do international shipping just yet, so probably soon they will. Right now it's just US only. We also have exceptional customer service with replies within 24 hours of any question or inquiry. Lastly, they would love to offer you guys 10% off if you sign up and become a new member with my code, and my code is SheCrafty10. So if you follow the link down below and you use SheCrafty10, that'll get you 10% off your first order. And this is also a woman-run business, and they want to empower other women just like you. So that is awesome. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is inside this month's box. Where did my knife go? Here we go. Let's get this opened. All right, or right on top, I see a card with my name on it. And then this must be their card for the month. So let's see what's inside here. It's a thank you card. It says, "Hi Tracy, we can't wait for you to unbox your first Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. We hope you enjoy your jewelry. As a special thank you, your followers get 10% off their very first box with code SheCrafty10. Thank you again and enjoy, Glamour Jewelry Box team." So thank you so much for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate that. Let's go ahead and see what is in this box. Okay, so it says this month's box is valued at $75. And let's kick off summer with this month's jewelry set. We curated versatile pieces that you can wear to work and then go straight into the summer evenings without worrying. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in what they have. It looks like a little bag in here. That is really cute. Little pink drawstring. It says Glamour Jewelry Box right on that right there. And this is a nice little velvet pouch. This is really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Again, we get 3 pieces every month, so let's get these out. All right, so the first thing right on top, ooh, these are really pretty. Look at that. Those are the earrings for this month. Now, this one is Crystal Statement Studs, retail price of $28. A cluster of scattered crystals, providing a bold yet effortless look. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak. An effortless look. But those are really pretty. Let me take these out real quick. Luckily, these come out quickly. Alrighty. Okay, so those are out. Let's put these in. look at those things. Oh no, that's not in. I like let it go thinking, oh, it's in. No, it's not in. Where is my, there we go. Tell you, finding my holes is not my job. Okay, get it in there. Okay, there we have it. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Those are very pretty. Ooh, those will definitely make a statement. Okay, so there's the first item. And again, those are valued at $28. So that is awesome. Now the second item, ooh, this is pretty, very dainty. Look at that. That is the bracelet. Let's see if I can get this down a little bit more for you guys to see. So there is the actual bracelet and it has that on it. So this is amazing because it's adjustable. So if you have a tiny little wrist, you have an average wrist, you have a big roll wrist like me, you are covered because it has this right here. So this is a delicate bracelet. Again, there we go. This is retailed at $22. This bracelet instantly adds a hint of sparkle to your outfit. Perfect for layering from past GJB Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. The extender allows for easy adjustability, and that is awesome. So let's go ahead and get my wrist up in here. Yep, it will fit. Now let's try to get this closed one-handed and keep them even. This is so pretty though because it's so dainty. It's not gaudy, it's not too big. This is really pretty, really, really pretty. So I don't have it too tight, but it's not going to move. And there we have that. That is really pretty, really pretty. Okay, so the last item in here must be the necklace. This is cool, especially if you're just, like, there's a lot of women who have to work in offices and they like to dress and look the part, but don't have the money. So this would be a perfect subscription box because then you're gonna find so many amazing pieces and they look very high quality, but you don't have to go to like the high-end jewelry stores for them. So here is the actual necklace right there. This is drip rhinestone necklace, retails for $25. Embellished rhinestones turn this necklace into a chic piece. As easy go-to pick with a summer blouse or casual everyday denim. And it does look like it might be a little, let's see. Oop. It does have like the chain right here to where you can extend it if you want it to be shorter or longer. This doesn't look like a very long piece, so let's see. There we go. And I do love that they're woman ran and they're just trying to help empower other women and make them feel amazing like we should. So check that out. So you have these amazing earrings. You have this really cute, I love this necklace. That necklace is very, very pretty. And this dainty but beautiful bracelet. And I've never seen something like this. And I love that because then it can adjust to anybody's wrist. So that is awesome. So that is everything that was in this particular box, you guys. Again, we have the bracelet that's valued at $22. We have the crystal statement studs valued at $28. And then we have the rhinestone necklace for $25. So all of this combined is $75 in value. And I think this is a really nice jewelry box. Because they look so good, high in quality. And look at that necklace, you guys. That is beautiful. That is really beautiful. I love that. And this definitely can look like it's dressy or dressed down and still go with it. I love this necklace. And this is just so cute because it's so dainty. I love that. I love that. I don't like big old gaudy jewelry. So that is really, really cool. So again, thank you so much, Glamour Jewelry Box, for sending me this box to review. I absolutely love it. Again, follow the link down below. SheCrafty 10 will get you 10% off your order. That is awesome. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you again, Glamour Jewelry, for sending this to me. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a future video or giveaway that I will have on my channel. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.